So Niko, what happened to the birdie?
Yeah.
Did he fly into our window?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he's a little bit stunned, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Come here. Come here, birdie.
There he is.
Mm-hmm. And Niko.
Do you want to pet him?
Yeah.
Just be very gentle.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't he cute?
Mm-hmm.
He's just little.
He's so mad.
No, I don't think he's mad. I think he's just a little bit scared.
He's not flying away.
No, not right now.
He's not flying
He's
away.
just sitting on Mommy's hand.
And he don't have sharp, big hands.
He's got little claws to hang on to stuff with, but he won't hurt you. You can touch him. Touch him on his back very gently.
Okay.
Just stroke him.
And I like his tail.
Oh, yeah, that's his tail.
Yeah. Let me touch the tail.
You can touch him. Just be very gentle.
And that's like the tail.
There he is.
He's flying.
He's flying around now. No, he's sitting on Mommy's arm. You like the bird?
Yeah.
Don't make noises, because you know what? Then you'll scare him. So you gotta talk quiet, okay?